can you give the advice to the students of PalComTech in front of the camera? Yeah, the advice for them to be prepared.
Okay, I think my advice to you will be that you have an opportunity to really change part of Palembang, of course, South Sumatra, with all the skills and knowledge you acquire here. Wow. It's really innovative what's happening here. So if you're able to use this later on in your life, then you will have a big impact.
Okay, cool. Wow. Give applause first.
That's very mindful, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, okay.
So I think that's all from us. Yeah. And for the closing, actually we have slogan like PalComTech for a better future.
Yes.
So can you follow me? I will say PalComTech.
We don't do the thing here.
Not yet. Not yet.